Hello, you are welcome to Mars Clinic series. In this video, we want to look at alternate angles. Alternate angles. Once again, we have our two parallel lines. You can see the two blue lines are parallel because they move together, keeping equal distance, and they will never meet. So they are parallel lines. Then we have our transversal. Look at the red line, which is crossing the parallel lines. That is also transversal. The moment transversal crosses two or more lines, we see series of angles being created. We see four angles here, and we see four angles here as well. And my concentration is going to be on the blue, the green angle at this side, and the same green and blue angle at this side too. Now, when we talk of alternate angle, we are looking at angles like the green here and the green here. They form something like Z. Look at the Z that I can draw. Look, follow the arrow here. This, that, and that. Okay. So the two green line angles are alternating. They are alternating angles, and they are always equal because the two lines are parallel. And so if you look at this green 142 here, the same 142 here as well. Then look at the blue also, and then the blue here, they are also alternating. They also form Z angle, as you see, right? Z angle, again Z angle, and they are also equal. So alternate angles are always equal, and you can see that as I temper with the orientation, you see that this 17 here is the same as the 17 here, and then the 163 here is the same as 163 here. So that is what we call alternate angle. So here you can see 91 alternating with the green, that is also 91. Here is 89 alternating with this one as 89, and they are always equal. So this is what we call alternate angles. Thanks so much for watching.